like this might be the end of the girls. Hey, wait! What's that sound? Oh, yes! The radiated candy deep inside the bowels of the Gangrene Gang is about to be digested, if you know what I mean.
What is going on?
Oh, I gotta find a bathroom. Oh, we'll be right with you, girls.